Easy methods to lose 20 pounds of fats in 30 days without doing any activity. It's viable to lose 20 pounds of physique fats in 30 days via optimizing any of three causes: recreation, diet, or drug supplement regimen. I've noticeable the elite implementation of all three in working with professional athletes. In this submit, we'll discover what I confer with as the sluggish carb food plan. During a span of 6 weeks, I cut from about 180 pounds to 165 pounds, even as including about 10 pounds of muscle. This means that I lost about 25 pounds of fats. This is the one weight loss plan apart from the as a substitute severe cyclical ketogenic weight loss plan (CKD) that has produced veins throughout my stomach, which is the last location I lose fat. Damn you, Scandinavian genetics. Listed here are the 4 easy ideas I adopted. Rule number 1: hinder white carbohydrates. Avoid any carbohydrate that is, or will also be, white. The following foods are hence prohibited, except for within 1.5 hours of completing a resistance training exercise of as a minimum 20 minutes in length: bread, rice, cereal, potatoes, pasta, and fried food with breading. For those who avert consuming something white, you'll be reliable. Rule number 2: devour the same few meals over and over. Probably the most successful dieters, in spite of whether their intention is muscle achieve or fat loss, eat the identical few meals over and over again. Mix and match, establishing every meal with one from every of the 3 following businesses: proteins, egg whites with 1 whole egg for taste, bird breast or thigh, grass-fed healthy pork, legumes, lentils, black beans, pinto beans, greens, spinach, asparagus, peas, combined veggies. Eat as a lot as you adore of the above food items. Simply don't forget, hold it easy. Select 3 or 4 ingredients and repeat them. Practically all restaurants can provide you with a salad or veggies in place of French fries or potatoes. Particularly, I've located Mexican food, swapping out rice for greens, to be one of the vital cuisines most conducive to the sluggish carb food plan. Most humans who go on low carbohydrate diets bitch of low energy and quit, now not considering that such diets can't work, however, since they consume inadequate calories. A half of cup of rice is 300 energy, whereas a half of cup of spinach is 15 energy. Vegetables are usually not calorically dense, so it's valuable that you add legumes for caloric load. Some athletes consume 6 to 8 bites per day to break up caloric load and avert fats achieved. I feel that is ridiculously inconvenient. I eat 4 XS per day, 10 hour, breakfast 1 p.m, lunch 5 p.m, smaller 2D lunch 7:30 to 9 p.m, sports coaching 10 p.m, dinner 12 a.m, glass of wine and Discovery Channel before bed. Here are a few of my foods that recur over and over again: scrambled ecology pourable egg whites with 1 whole egg, black beans, and microwave combined vegetables, grass-fed organic beef, pinto beans, mixed veggies, and additional guacamole, Mexican restaurant, grass-fed natural and organic red meat from Trader Joe's, lentils, and blended greens. Rule number 3: don't drink energy. Drink large portions of water and as much unsweetened iced tea, food plan sodas, coffee without white cream, or different no-calorie, low-calorie drinks as you adore. Don't drink milk, common soft drinks, or fruit juice. I'm a wine fanatic and have as a minimum 1 glass of wine each evening, which I believe virtually aids exercises, recuperation and fats loss. Recent research into resveratrol helps this. Rule number 4: take in the future off per week. I advocate Saturdays as your dieter's long gone wild day. I am allowed to eat anything I want on Saturdays, and I'm going out of my way to eat ice cream, Snickers, Take 5, and all of my different vices in excess. I make myself somewhat in poor health and don't want to look at any of it for the leisure of the week. Ironically, dramatically spiking caloric consumption on this means once per week raises fat loss by making certain that your metabolic cost, thyroid perform, and so forth, doesn't downregulate from increased caloric limit.